It's a 09 layout, 2-bedroom apartment with maid's room, with laundry room once we enter. On the left side, we have the first door is for the guest washroom, good size, with very nice high-end finishing. Downside we have the cabinets. Then we have here maid's room. Maid's room. Then we'll go here. This is the living area and kitchen. First we will start from the kitchen. Here we have the good size big kitchen. This is the place for the fridge, cooking range, dishwasher. You can have a look on the kitchen. And then you have here separate door for the laundry room. You can see the size of the laundry room. Here we'll go out. Then you can see the huge size living hall. This area you can make it as a dining area, and that block you can make it as a sitting area. It's very nice, good size, completely bright, with full sea view, Sadiyat side view, very nice view. It's facing toward the facilities. You can have a look. Down you can see the court, swimming pool area, Arc Tower, Sun and Sky Tower, the seaside, Sadiyat Island, Yas Island, complete view, very nice. Here you can have a look. Then we will go towards the bedrooms area. On the left side we have the second bedroom. It's master bedroom. We have attached washroom with standing shower. You can see the high-end finishing. Down we have fitted cabinets. Here you have big 3-door cabinets. Storage space is very good in the guest tower. You can have a look here. It's good size bedroom with a very nice view. You can have a look on the size of the bedroom. And then we will go towards the master bedroom. It's huge size, huge size. You have here master bathroom with bathtub and standing shower. The reigning shower is already fixed there. You can see the size of the bedroom. It's huge, it's massive, spacious and sunny. You can see, have a look on the cabinets. It's 6-door huge storage area cabinets.